Boss told me that I'm doing fine. Well, it's a good thing he don't know I was way out of line. Just last night when I went out on the town, and I got home late after drinking with friends. She said, "Oh my God, where in the hell have you been?" I just smiled and said, "Baby, you look great." So far, so good. I'm alive and well. I still manage to squeeze by every now and then. So far, so good. I'm still out of the woods. Well, I intend to live forever. So far, so good. Truck with no seatbelt on. I ran an amber light, she had her radar on. I just flew right past her, then I was gone. And later that night I was shooting some pool when this high-class redneck started acting the fool. I punched him between the eyes, then he left me alone. So far, so good. I'm alive and well. Well, I still manage to squeeze by every now and then. So far, so good. I'm still out of the woods. Well, I intend to live forever. So far, so good. So far, so good. How long is forever anyway? 40 years, 50 years, 100 years?